Yo, hello everybody, welcome back. It's Switch here with another video, and today I'm just going to talk a little bit about GH Arena, so the game which you see right now on the screen, although you need actually money to play this, and I'm just hoping at some point I will have money to play. So actually I'm adding this game to like my favorite lists, so you can see this in my description below, so you can use my ref if you want to. So this game basically consistently will grant you with some small amounts of USDT. So while you're playing, you always will have some rewards, but those rewards are like super small, with the possibility to hit the jackpot. So obviously that's why people playing that, because that's the third season of this game. It's not just something like brand new. It's actually third season of this game. That's why I want to introduce you guys to this. And if you have some spare money to play aside, definitely it's worth to play this a little bit at least. So first thing first, we have the wallet tab on the bottom, so we're just gonna crack on and carry on with the tabs. We're just gonna take a look what's going on here. So I'm gonna press the wallet tab and I can connect the wallet, although all right, I get it. Like on the phone I connected, or on the desktop I connected, but then on the different tools which we didn't connect, it's still asking you to connect the wallet. So doesn't matter. So we just connect the wallet right now. So as you can see on that my wallet tab, we are having, or I am having, 1 USDT, and you are not allowed to withdraw this unless I think you have $20, but we will see that in a minute. Withdraw the rewards. And on this screen, we can withdraw GH token, or we can swap this to actually go to the USDT, and we need to have 20 USDT. So long story short, doesn't really matter. You're not really winning big. You will be able to actually withdraw your investments, if that makes sense. So just going to jump to a different tab. Lucky box, see what it is. So we have like 2 options to play here. One of those options is to enter the dungeon, and we need to buy the ticket. And I don't think so I have any money to go. No, I don't have. My balance, it's 14 stars, 30 stars. I don't know how much is it. It's like I think, I mean, I can try. I mean, I don't want to buy anything, because that's like the idea of this channel is like, if we need to buy something to access the miner for permanent basis, I will do this, like because that's what I'm trying to say. Like the idea of this channel is basically to create as many games, as many apps, to be able to play them on daily basis, which means multitask them, and to have as much profit as possible without like spending any money at all. And with that being said, we have to spend some money to access something, but like just to spending for the sake of spending money, like this app, if I will have like stable income by playing those apps, I will definitely jump into that and buy something, because at the end of the day, this is not like some huge amount of money, right? Like £10, we can allocate 500 stars. So at some point I will do the video where, for argument's sake, let's say I'm just gonna buy 1,000 stars. It's going to be around £20, and then I will just share with you guys like how much we can sort of win by playing for £20. And those kind of videos are going to be on this channel. Like I will spend money, because I like to spend money on the games, don't get me wrong, but not right now. Like I don't have money to spend right now, but at some point, maybe next year, I'm going definitely jump into spending the money. So enter the dungeon. Obviously I don't have any assets right now, so I'm not able to do this. And then we have the enter jackpot dungeon, win up to 10,000, and this is the same thing. Like you need to buy the ticket, although I could buy 1 ticket to play and to show you guys. Like this is not really a big deal to buy 1 ticket. I can buy 1 ticket, it's 30 stars. Or maybe not this time. Maybe not. Nah. Okay. Gonna go with this feature is not available in your version of your app. For fuck's sake. Okay, I know what I need to do. I need to buy a ticket from different app. Well, the same app, the same account. Same account. So I'm just gonna buy one ticket. Hopefully that's gonna well, it's going to transfer, but give me a second, guys. Looking for Telegram on my phone. Okay, so right now we need to find DGH Arena. Okay, season 3, okay. GH. And go. So I think I need to quit this one for a second. And I'm going to buy. Okay. We'll go with two tickets. One for the unlucky box, because you're never lucky. The people who are going to be lucky in this game, there are people who have fuckloads of money. That's why they don't bother. So that's why they're lucky. No, fuck me. I entered the dungeon straight away. Like, I don't want to do it. I hope that's not gonna be deleted or removed. Like, just get me to the dungeon straight away. Like, I don't want to do it. Like, okay, entering the dungeon. Okay, so I bought enough for 3 tickets, or we'll see in a minute. Like, I don't know how much money I spent because I'm so rich. So okay, never mind. Okay, so we have the dungeon log, and then basically choose your path, enter one of the doors, and doesn't really matter what we are going to choose because it's randomized, so we can go always straight forward. And then as you can see, yay, I'm rich. Like, fuck me, that'd be like brilliant to hit on live like $10,000. Like, fuck me. Oh Jesus. Okay, so we're just going to press collect and empty space except for a small gold bug in the shadows. Fuck yeah. One. Treasure found, and then whatever you're going to press doesn't matter. Okay, we're just gonna collect and then can move forward. It's gonna be fight or whatever. Guard stand, alert, blocking your progress. And then we have the fight, and this is also randomized, so don't try to be like, I don't know, clever, because basically you have to look at this in that way. Like, what the fuck you're going to press is like 33% and, well, 33 and 9. Like, you know what I mean? Like, fucking 1/3 of what you can hit. So basically, doesn't matter what you choose, you have like 1/3 to win, so you can always go with fucking shield, whatever, and it doesn't fucking matter, and it's a draw. And yeah, I totally understand. You might say, okay, but if you will choose the hammer, you might win, but you might fucking lose. So better is draw anyway. So you can continue at least. If you're going to lose, you won't be able to continue. What I'm trying to say, you can, like, for argument's sake, play a month this game and just press the shield and do like spreadsheet with this, and then play a month and just press the fucking hammer. And maybe I will do this at some point when I will have money to actually do assessment for playing this game, because I don't mind to do that. Like, spreadsheet, that'd be fucking great, right? Like everybody really will appreciate that, but we need money to play this. So I'm just, like I said, I don't mind to spend money, but first you need to have money. I don't have a sustained income right now. Well, I don't have any fucking income because I'm unemployed for the last 2 months. But hopefully, fingers crossed, I will get some job really soon, and then I can invest in those games, because I really like the idea of playing Web3 games. So anyway, so we have the right, left, doesn't matter. We're just pressing whatever, and then we have another fight. And then right now we're supposed to be clever, right? Because the shield was draw, and yeah, I just Doesn't really matter. It's still 1/3, so we lost. Okay, yeah, but it's like doesn't matter because you are going to lose anyway, regardless of what the fuck you're going to choose. And total rewards, it is what it is, which is fuck all. And we can press play again, but we're going to leave the dungeon. And instead of playing dungeon, I just want to do the lucky box. And well, lucky box, we need to enter the dungeon as well. View prizes. We have some chance to hit the prizes. Basically, I just wanna use this, like buy. Okay. Okay, this is still again the dungeon. Okay, I'm just gonna move forward with this. Like, doesn't matter. I'm just gonna do the shield as well. Right now again shield. We'll see. Fight! Okay, we lost, okay. No, I don't want to play again. We're here invite to use my ref. And then we have shop, but those tabs doesn't work. We have the lucky box and we have the wallet. Fuck knows. Enter daily for free. Oh fucking hell! So we can do one dungeon for free daily. Ah! How the fuck I didn't realize that? Like actually we can play this at least once per day, so that's cool. No reward, okay. Okay, and then it's gonna be fight right now. No, right now it's going to be fight, okay. And then I'm going with the shield. Fuck it. We lost. Maybe we should carry on with a hammer. Leave this dungeon, okay. Oh, next free run after every 5 hours, so we can actually go every 5 hours to do like free run. That's great. I didn't even know that. Like I'm just running those apps like sort of brainlessly sometimes. Like I just carry on. I just playing once because they give you like ticket for free, and then I'm not really diving into, or unless it's just some new feature they just announced. Because I didn't really see that like we can do this on daily, but never mind. That's fine. Okay, so it's wallet. I don't get it because that box, I remember I've played once. Like you are able to use the ticket and then that box is actually opening, like you can see the view prizes, and basically it's like just like a lottery, like a spinning wheel or something like that, and then you can hit something from it. Obviously you'll be like super lucky to hit like 10,000, but enter jackpot dungeon. Use a ticket to enter the dungeon. Explore rooms with a treasure guard and unexpected challenges. Use the final room to unlock the lucky box for a chance to win. Alright, so actually I reached that final. Okay, I'm just gonna play one more time. And I said I'm not gonna spend any money on it. Oh well, it is what it is. So I was like actually super lucky because I managed to hit that. Okay, so we're just going to fight. So choose your move. Okay, so we're going with the hammer then. And I lost, like what the fuck? That's what I said. That's what I said. I'm supposed to stick with the fucking shield. Fuck this game. Fuck this game, okay. So yeah, if you wanna enjoy yourself, just use my ref. And you have like every 5 hours you can actually join this, and maybe you'll be lucky to actually get. So right now I realized, because once I had that box, I had this lucky box, but then you have to go through the all crap and actually be able to be in the final room. So like yeah, so I assume I was like super lucky, and then I end up basically hitting the one more ticket, to winning like one more ticket. Maybe that was just program version of the room, like it's designed when you're starting the first game to actually to be able to hit that room, and then obviously well, it's everything is randomized, so maybe I shouldn't really bother much even what you're choosing, because at the end of the day might be like program, like okay, we're just gonna give you the like 3 options to choose, but then you're always going to lose here anyway, so that might be like that. Like it's not really that's strange if that's actually programmed this way, like just doesn't matter what you will choose, the outcome will be the same, and then just one person super fucking lucky will actually hit the proper outcome, which is winning some big prize. So anyway, with that being said, thank you much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Actually 50 minutes, because you know why? Because I enjoy to play a bit, so that's why it took a little bit more time than usual. So yeah, thank you much guys one more time for watching. If you want to join me the BAMS, I will appreciate that, because I'm going to create a society, big massive city in BAMS, so we can basically all together have more mining energy, more mining resources. And then if you can actually join me, this advert, this on the right side, which is the TOYGERS, super appreciate that as well, because you will get rewards by playing this game. This is like the one and only game in this like Web3 tone ecosystem, which they will actually send you physical toys on your address. So if you want to know more about the TOYGERS, you can go to my channel playlist, which is just about the TOYGERS app. So you will know much more about this. Okie dokie. So take care guys, and see you in the next one.